here we go. Stolen heist frame. SIC cranks. Stolen. Fit Sean Mack PC pedals. Sabrosa Magnum guard sprocket. KMC chain. 2 S&M cymbal hub guards in the back. 2 butter pegs. Up front, there's S&M FU bars, FU bars, whatever you want to call them. Shadow deadbolt bar ends, copper tie-dye, love that shit. Black ODI long neck XL grips, like my dick. 10-inch rise on the bars, by the way. Verde Regent forks, Cinema something front wheel. Fit TA tire, 2 butter pegs, or butcher pegs. 1 S&M hub guard up front, and seat market demolition pivotal seat post. That's Colt something, I don't know. Back wheel, we got really shitty back wheel. Needs trued every 5 minutes. Got really old redline stem. Just took it off some bike. And I don't run brakes. Because brakes are gay. Like you. Faggot. I got that Sabrosa sticker on here. Good old Colt. And Scavenger on the down tube. And that's it.